I would like to give you some cultural background information about the phrase, how are you? I'm Susanna. Hi. In English, how are you is a small talk opener, and courtesy dictates that it should be answered with fine, and then the conversation can start. How are you in English can also just be part of the greeting. Hi, how are you? However, in German language, it does serve a very different conversational function. It's only used between people who know each other, and it does mean, what have you been up to the past weeks and months? I haven't seen you. Tell me. So I recommend German learners to not use it unless you know someone or unless you have the time and the patience to really learn about how this person is doing. I hope you like this video, and I'm happy to create many more. Give me a thumbs up and see you soon.